Concentrate, Mark. Woo! So this is it, my Raleigh Pioneer and the Queen Eleanor Cross. Well, here we are in sunny England. Spring has sprung at last, and I'm out on the Raleigh Pioneer Tour. Roads are pretty quiet. This is it's my local area. I'm going to take you to a bit of a historic landmark, which is just around the corner from where I live. And I promise you, you'll be amazed or pleasantly surprised. I'm puffing a bit, I'm pretty unfit at the moment. So here it is. I'll park the bike up and I'll show you all about it. So this is it, my Raleigh Pioneer and the Queen Eleanor Cross. A little bit about it. This was one of 12 built by King Edward I to commemorate the journey that his wife's funeral cortege, Queen Eleanor, took from Nottinghamshire in the UK to Westminster Abbey in London. She died in Nottinghamshire, and 12 of these crosses were built to commemorate each nightly stop. I say built. I didn't build them that day. There's only 2 remaining now. Equally impressive is my little Raleigh. A bike for everyday use, an everything bike. Years ago we didn't have mountain bikes, gravel bikes, right? We just had bikes. And you had that bike and you did everything on that bike. And this is what I do on this. So let's go have some more fun. One last look at the cross. It's magnificent, a true testament to the King Edward's love for his queen. Brilliant. Right, that's enough historical culture. Let us now, as they say, go off-road. Careful. Well, for a change, it's reasonably dry down here. We've had a few days of not much rain, which is good. And the bike feels great. The only change I made to it, I bought some Schwalbe off-road tyres, which they do help. Concentrate, Mark. Woo! Right, here we go again. That's close. Close to disaster. Well, it really is a beautiful day. which for the UK is certainly a pleasant surprise. The bike's pretty good, but the rider's not that good. Bit of storm damage from the other night. Could have been worse, could have been under it. For this sort of terrain, why spend any more on a bike? It's just good fun. I think they're available now, still available for about £400, and for that sort of price, it's still a significant amount of money, but you're not afraid to leave it outside a shop, locked up obviously, or a pub. You're not afraid to scratch it. And you're not afraid to bring it off-road, like we're doing now. I mean, don't get me wrong, you're not going to win you won't win a mountain bike race on it, but wouldn't matter what bike you gave me, I would never win a mountain bike race. So this is plenty good enough for this oldish, slightly overweight bloke who still thinks he's a kid. I hope you enjoyed the video, and a little bit of history, more storm damage, another bit of tree down. It really was quite windy the other night. Oh, thanks a lot. I'll see you soon.